Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can host your events on Molle. So without wasting any time, let's get into this. So first of all, visit the Molle website from molle.events. Now it is preferable that you visit the website from your desktop for the better view, that's all. So after visiting the website, on the top right corner, you will see list your event. Simply click on that and here you just have to create your ID. Once you have created your ID, you can now sign in and sign up. So I'll just sign in with a test ID, right? Okay, so now I have signed in with a host ID. Now before hosting any event, you have to complete your KYC. It is mandatory. So here you can see KYC verification option. Just go into that and fill in the basic details like name, your date of birth, phone number, and also the bank account details in which you want your money withdrawn. And after that, simply upload your documents and hit the submit button. After hitting the submit button, within 24 to 48 hours, you will get a call and your ID will be verified. Once your host ID is verified, you can now host your events. So simply sign in with your host ID and come to this event section. Now here just hit on create event. Now first of all you'll have to input an event title, then the description of your event. Make sure to make this as brief as possible because this is what users will see. Now here you will select your city and then the street address. Now remember, this street address will be hidden. Below that there is landmark and then after that there is location summary. This is the location that will display on the event page. Let me show you where does it show. So this is where this location will show up. Now after that just upload your event image, event banner, whatever you need. Simply select an image from your file and upload here. You can also add multiple images. Whenever you upload multiple images, it will show up as a carousel as you can see here. Now after that you will have to select the event type. Is it normal or is it invite only? See, in normal event people will just come up and they can book the ticket. But in invite only event people will have to fill up a form which you set. So after they fill up a form, you will get a request that someone wants to join your event. And if you accept the request, then they get a notification that now you are eligible to join the event. User will see a button called request to book. When they click on that, there will be a form which you will set. I'll show you how you can set the form in the video. Now after that you will see a toggle called exclusive event. So if your event is exclusively available on Molle, you will have to turn this on. But your event is listed on many other platforms, then do not turn this on. You get many exclusive perks if you only host on Molle. For example, lowest transaction fees, you can get a feature on Molle Instagram page, and our promoters also help to sell your tickets. So do consider hosting your event only and exclusively on Molle. Now after that there is event URL slug. So this is the name that will show up on the domain. Let me show you an example. So as you can see here, there is molle.events/events/pool party test event. So this pool party test event is your event slug. You can keep this your event name or your company name, whatever you prefer to have here. Now after that just type in the host name and host bio. Now we'll click on the next button. So now here you will have to pick a starting date and ending date of the event. So after that enter your crowd size of the event. Now remember, this number will show up here. Now below that there is an option called maximum tickets per user. That means if you want to put a limit that how many tickets one user can book, then you can put a limit on that. But if you do not want to put any limits, then keep this empty. After that you will see age restrictions, what will be the minimum and maximum age of your event attendees, as you can see here. Now after that you will see the ticket section. Here just click on the add tickets button and now you can name your ticket whatever you want here. Let's say basic package. You can add a description of that ticket, then you can add the price of that ticket of course, and below that you will see included items. Here you can add as many items as you want. This is what will show up in your package in the event page. Let me show you how. So as you can see here, this is ticket name, this is ticket description, and this is what's included. This is how the included items you type in there will show up here. So you can say included item 1, included item 2. So here you can just type in anything that is included. For example, free drinks. Simply type in the name and just hit on add item. Simply type in the name and enter the add item again. You can add as many items you want. Now let's create one more ticket. So again go on to add tickets button, and after you click that you will see that one more ticket has appeared here. Now again follow the same procedure. Enter the name, description, price, quantity, and of course included items in that ticket. After you are done that, just click on next button. Here you can select the amenities that you are offering in your event. So for example, there can be Wi-Fi, security, restrooms, whatever. And you can also add your custom amenity. So just click on this button and type in whatever you want. And after typing in your amenity, just hit this button and it will be added in your custom amenities section. Now just click on the next button again. So here first of all you can select the event status, like if you want to keep it draft, if you want to publish it right now, and below that you will see allow referrals button. So if you have any promoters who wants to promote your event, then you can just toggle this button on. After you turn this on, there will be a referral percentage, that how much percentage of commission you want to give to that person who recommends your ticket. You can keep this percentage as much as you want. Now after that you will see the calculations of how ticket price will be calculated. So you can see here base price is $4.99. This is of basic package we created. Also below that you will see how much user pays and how much host gets. So in this this scenario, you will get 459.08 rupees. But if someone has referred your ticket and they got a sell, then below that you can see referral fee is 5% of host earnings. So with referral, host gets 436.13 rupees and referrer gets 22.95 rupees. Of course, this all will depend on the ticket price and the number of referral percentage you select. So all of your referrers will get a unique link and a coupon code. So if anyone buys from their link or their coupon code, they will get a commission. I'll show you later how the referral side works. Now after that, you can hit create event button and your event will be live. It is that simple to create events on Molle. Now let me show you where you will see the bookings of your event. So as you can see here, there is a booking section. Just click on that and you will see all the people that have booked your event. Also, you will see the total revenue you have generated with the event. Now below that, you have a customer section. You can see how many people have purchased your event. And here you can also see if that particular purchase is referred by someone. As you can see here, there is a referred by section. So if this particular purchase has been referred by someone or they have purchased through someone's link or someone's coupon code, it will show up here. Their name will show up here. Now below that, you will have a followers section. You can see how many people follows you on Molle. Now remember this, then every time you host an event, they will get a notification. So make sure to encourage people to follow you on the platform. Now below that, you will have a referrals section. How many people have sold how many tickets and everything. Now below that, you will see the reviews button. Here you can see how many reviews your event gets. After that, you will see the messages section. Here you can see the how many people have messaged you. So in Molle event page, there is a button called chat with host. If people have any doubt regarding your event, they can directly message you and that messages will show up here. Plus you can also message to the admin, that means the platform. If you have any doubts or if you want to ask any questions, then you can just type in here and send it as a message. Now here you will see invites. So whenever you host the request to book events, all the requests that your event gets to join will show up here. From here you can approve people and reject people. Whenever you approve people, they will get a notification that you are now eligible to join this event and they can pay and join. Now below that, you will see a payment section. Here you can see how much available balance you have and you can request withdrawal anytime. This withdrawal will be transferred to the bank account which you have linked before. Now after that, you will see a scan ticket option. Here you can scan the tickets of attendees. This function will also be available on the mobile phone. So at the event venue, you can simply scan the tickets of attendees and validate the tickets. Now at last, we have invite forms. Now remember, we talked about that request to book event. You can create their forms here. You can just hit the create form button and here first is form name. Just name it anything. Now keep a form description. Below that, you will have form fields. This is the information you are willing to take from user. You can even select the field type. This is exactly like Google Forms, okay? Also, if you want to add multiple fields, then you can also do that. For example, I'll just add a field. This is a placeholder text. That means an example for the users that how to put in their name. And you can just hit the create form when you're done. Now, as you can see, form is created. You can even edit the form from here. So whenever you host invite only events, select invite only when creating the event. And at the end of the page, you will see select invite form. Here you can just select the form we have created. So whenever someone clicks the request to book button, they will get a form which you have created right now. And they will fill up all the details and then those details will show up on your dashboard, which will be in the invite section here. If you have any doubts regarding anything, you can just contact me. Now let me show you how the referrer ID works. So first of all, come to the homepage of Molle and click on become an affiliate. Here simply you can create a new ID. So after you have created the ID, you can see the analytics here. Also, when you want to generate a link, you can just go to the link section and create event link. Now here just select the event you want to promote and hit on create link. So from here you can just copy the link. So whenever someone visits from this website, this particular link, then the referrer will get the commission host has set. From the payment section, you can add your bank account to withdraw the payments. And from the referral section, you can track your referrals. You can see how many people have bought from your link. That will be all, guys. We are still working on many new features which will actively help you boost your sales. If you have any doubts regarding any of this, then contact on this number and we will assist you. Happy hosting and thank you so much for your time.